Okay, it's winter and we're gonna go driving in the snow. But first, we have to dress warmly. Okay, so I'm gonna do just that. Okay, now I have my winter gear here. This is all lined, so it's all warm in here. And I'm gonna put this on. Oh man, so there it is. I look all big and fat. Yeah, but it feels good and it's warm. That's the most important thing. Then I have my jacket. Make sure you dress warm because anything could happen. Your car could die on you, and if you're not dressed warmly, you're gonna have a real problem. Okay. This is how I do it. So I'm warm. Actually right now I'm roasting and I'm not outside yet. I'm still in my house. Okay. I might wear this hoodie. Yeah. Now I look cool. Now, one other thing, in fact, not one other thing, I got a few things I have to think about. Your winter boots. These boots, I've had them, this is my third winter, and I've never had to even clean them. Prior to this, I usually buy winter boots for $40 or $50 or $60. But they last 2 winters, they're done. This is my third winter, and it's the best pair of boots I've ever owned. These cost $250. Alright? But the difference between the cheap ones and this is that it has spikes. So there's no way I'm gonna slide on ice or anything. Alright, so let me get this on. Oh. Alright, now this one the spikes aren't on, so what I have to do is just lift this up. Now I have spikes, so there's no way I'm gonna slide. Oh, it's hard. Anyway, I've got spikes on the front. The brand, this pair of boots, it's called Pajar, P-A-J-A-R. I think they're the best. They're expensive, but it's worth it.